Hi, my name is Nur Adli bin Hatta, number matrix 62111. I'm from Group E and today we are going to present our group project for KNP4073 Advanced Manufacturing System. This is the table of content for our slide, which includes introduction, main content, and conclusions. Firstly is the introductions. For background part, companies that manufactures cake for sale to supermarket and hypermarket. After 20 years of operations, Company Z is considering going for full automation for the new plant. Problem statement for this slide is inexperience. Company Z is a small company that has no experience in full automation for mass production of cakes.
Hello, my name is Abigail Yvonne Labadin and my matrix number is 63015. Today, I will be talking about the objectives of the project, which includes to ensure that the quality of the cakes will be preserved despite having mass production, to apply group technology, cellular manufacturing, flexible manufacturing systems or other feasible methods, and lastly, to implement the most suitable quality control system. Next, we'll be discussing about the main content of the project. There are three manufacturing systems that are implemented in this project, which includes group technology, cellular manufacturing system, and lastly, flexible manufacturing systems. Group technology is a strategy of approaching by grouping related and repeated difficulties or activities in manufacturing processes to seek full output productivity gains. Whereas for cellular manufacturing system, it is implemented to ensure that the smooth line operation of the production flow. Therefore, machines and workstations are structured in limited space and allow continuous production flow of the cake. Lastly, flexible manufacturing system is implemented so that flexibility in handling manufacturing resources like labor and time can be achieved in sequence with manufacturing a new product. The selection of machines for our factory includes a continuous mixer, egg baker machine, cake depositor machine, oil spray machine, hot wind rotary oven, and also automatic demolding machine. Besides that, a cooler machine is required together with packing machine and the most important thing, which is ultraviolet sterilization machine.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Salman. So I will explaining on the product layout. As you can see in the slide, that is our production layout for our products. So it consists of 4 cells with different type of process. So the process begins from the storage system, which is on the bottom part near the entry. So the storage will be store the raw material, which then go to the cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, and then the finished product will be stored in the storage near the exit. So for each cell, we applied the U-shaped cellular manufacturing. For the monitoring system, there will be 2 types, which is the online and the offline monitoring work. For online monitoring work, it uses the FT and IR process control. It basically used to analyze both liquids and solid samples during the process. For raw materials and intermediate and also the finished product, non-destructive tests and rapid analysis will be used as method to be implemented in the online monitoring work. For the offline monitoring work, it usually operation or manual operation on the sensors or any instruments used to collect the data. It's usually implemented in the food test for the quality section. Other than the monitoring work, quality control also important matter for production system, as it used to provide regular and reliable controls for data. It's also important because it able to identify and correct mistakes and omissions. It's also able to monitor and achieve inventory content in the production system, and it also able to track all quantity management activities for the production system. quality assurance is basically to ensure the procedure used to design, test, and manufacture products is carried out successfully. So the quality assurance is basically to improve, such as the purchasing raw material, purchasing third-party materials or sub-assemblies. It's also improve for the design and use of inspection procedures. The next one is to improve the development and implementation of inspection procedure. The final one will be to improve the responding to defects. Inspection techniques is very important factor for the production system because it enables for us to ensure that the quality of our cake produced will meet the needs of customer. So basically there are 5 tasks that will be done in the inspection technique. So first one is the identification of food production and additives. Second one will be detection of food fraud. Third one will be testing conformity. The fourth one will be analysis of structure and labeling, and the final one will be process control.
Hello, my name is Mama Imran and my metric number is 63459. For the next slide, I'm going to present about centralized and decentralized approach and which one is better applied into the company Z. Considering between centralized and decentralized system, the best suit system for company Z will be the decentralized system. This is due to the decentralized system is not controlled by single CPU. Besides, decentralized system is a combination of local autonomy and cooperative relationship to ensure successful management of the system in real time. Lastly, production system can be easily modified. Information transfer is fast, and problem can be easily controlled due to the flexibility and adaptability of control system and manufacturing body. Next slide is costing. The production system can work smoothly and successfully if costing is revised by selecting the right equipment and ingredients. So, the cost to produce one vanilla cake is RM22.26. This cost also can be called as variable cost. Cost of machine use also have been considered and calculated. This cost, also known as fixed cost, and it has a total of RM184,430.96. Break-even point have been analyzed. This analysis is important to determine the amount of cake company Z have to sell in order to be constantly profitable. In order to analyze break-even point, company Z have set the unit price of one cake vanilla, which is RM35. Based on the calculation, company Z must sell 4,316 units of cake per year to ensure the business is constantly profitable. In conclusion, company Z able to achieve the objectives, and as a developing company, the implementing a fully automation system in the cake production system, along with proper management such as quality control, monitoring work system, and manufacturing system, the company will be able to produce the cakes in line with demand from the market. So that's all from our team. Thank you.